Greetings travelers! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of place to go to while in Patmos, Greece. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice for top place to visit in Patmos, Greece will be the Monastery of St. John, the Theologian. The Monastery of St. John is a Greek Orthodox monastery founded in 1088 in Kora, on the Isle of Patmos. The UNESCO has declared it a World Heritage Site. It is named after St. John of Patmos. Our number two choice of top place to go to while in Patmos will be the Cave of the Apocalypse. Situated about halfway up the mountain of the Aegean island of Patmos, along the road between the village of Kora and Scala. The grotto is believed to mark the spot where John received his vision that he recorded in the book of Revelation. In 1999, UNESCO declared the cave a joint World Heritage Site, together with the Monastery of St. John, the Theologian. Number three of top place to go to while in Patmos will be the Rock of the Kalikatsu at Grikos Bay. At first, it will look as if it was carved in detail, as it was believed to be a temple of the Aphrodite. You can see many circles on the surface, seemingly resembling windows. Once you climb to the top of the rock formation, you can get the view of the Aegean coastline. The rock formation has become home to rare species of bird. Therefore, the bay is a protected area. The bay has become the largest wetland habitation in the island. Our number four choice will be the Patmos Mansion, an urban building constructed since the 17th century, located in northeastern Patmos in Kora. It has 2 floors. The structural features on the Patmian house have been maintained, such as the 2 Gothic double-wide windows on upper floor. One of the most impressive items preserved in the mansion is probably the wooden furniture with dual function. The first one will be as a storage area, and the second one will be like a partition that separates the lobby area from the sleeping area. Our number top 5 of place to go to in Patmos will be the Paralia Agriolibadu beach, probably one of the most popular beach in Patmos, with beach chairs and umbrellas provided, and small cafes on the shoreside. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram, Scenic.Geek. Until next time.